This is Jeff with SSH Drones.
Oh, no, that's an airplane.
No, the drone right there, hovering. Over here, get into your left.
So we right here just getting it in. Oh, flying one drone.
Oh,
so.
yeah. So now I want to bring
Just practicing. Here we go.
So I want to bring it.
Hey, what's up? This is Jeff. We over here trying to just rescue the drone. It is stuck in a tree right here.
Close.
Alright, pretty close. We're gonna have to try again. Try again, dude. Oh, boom! Stop. We need something heavy. No. Okay. Oh, you got. Oh! That was, dude. You gotta do it again. All right. I mean,
Somebody be ready to catch
yeah. That's what I'm saying. That's all. That's all I was like. Ooh. Oh, wait. That was you?
New stick.
I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna get this bird back down.
Probably need something heavy, you think?
Something heavy.
So.
All right, so we got a rope.
Yeah.
We got a lot of stuff, so we're about to rescue this drone real quick.
Come on, King. I saw the leaves too. I thought it was a fucking bird. I thought it was a bird. We try. We don't want to
All right, so we got the rope.
You ready to catch it, Jeff? Jeff ain't ready to catch it. Oh, it slipped off. Hey.
It just went further in. Yeah.
I played rugby in college. Do you want to know what my position
We got the drone back.
That's all my job was. Catch it,
Yo,
go.
we got it back.
It's lit. Hey.
Still got battery.
All right. At least it didn't fall, so we good. So we got the drone back.
Who caught it? Who caught it?
She caught
Who caught
it.
it? Who caught
She
it?
caught it.
Hey, look,
She got it.
Anybody that saw me no. Hey, no, I'm telling you, if we ever have kickball, football, anything, y'all put me on y'all team, we will win. I will score and catch anything.
Gimbal looks good. So far, so good. All right, I'm gonna do a test flight.
Okay.
All right. What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
I don't know. I thought I was following him, but maybe I hit the button the wrong way.
Don't
probably
follow
went-
another pilot ever. It's like when you race in a car, you don't race against the person in front of you, you're racing against the road, the track. So you start following him, he doing shit that you can't do, and your orientation gets messed up.
Yeah.
And that's how you end up in a tree.
Lesson learned. I won't be doing that no more.
We got the drone back, so this was an interesting rescue. I couldn't really get like the final part when the drone fell because someone had to pull the rope. So, but we got it back. So, I'm Jeff West. This is Drones, and I am out. Later, guys.